Let's watch the video.
Yes, great. What is it about?
It's about free time activities in Canada.
Okay, let's watch.
My name's Charlotte. I'm from Canada. This is fun. This is me and my friend. We can run. I can sledge. Watch. Can you ski? I can ski. My favorite free time activity is ice skating. I can ice skate with my friends. But my sister can't ice skate. This is my friend. We can make a snowman. Let's play.
Can you make a snowman, Tia?
Yes, I can, but I can't ski.
I can't ski, but I can sledge.
What can you do?